love our country. There are too many negative voices out there. If there is a small issue somewhere, it's blown out of proportion. There's another issue somewhere, people talk negatively about our country. It's completely unnecessary. This is our motherland. This is our country. It is the only country that we have. It's the only home given to us by God. Other people appreciate Kenya. In fact, a US-based travel agency called Lonely Planet has said 3 things about Kenya. Number 1, that Kenya is the best holiday destination in Africa and the 10th globally. This country, this Kenya, the most beautiful holiday destination in Africa, 10th globally, by a very famous United States-based travel agency called Lonely Planet. Number 2, World Bank has said Kenya is the 3rd country with the highest diaspora remittance in the world. The same World Bank has said Kenya's economy is the 29th fastest growing economy in the world. This is our country. We must love this country enough to count our blessings. But many people see nothing good about their country. They say negative things about Kenya. If there is a small issue somewhere, it's blown out of proportion. And sometimes I ask myself, if you cannot see anything positive about your country, what kind of a human being are you? If you can't see anything good about your parents, if you cannot see anything good about your school, if you cannot see anything good about your church, there is something wrong with you. Yeah, so we must, as a country, defend our country, defend our nationhood, and love our country so that others can see positive things about Kenya.